Trust is like a fragile thread. It connects two people. This thread can break easily. Broken trust can be hard to fix. Betrayal, dishonesty, and misunderstandings break trust. These things can hurt relationships. We need trust to feel safe. We need trust to be open. When trust is broken, we feel scared. We feel unsure. It's like walking on thin ice. We don't know if it will hold us. Rebuilding trust takes time. It takes effort from both people. We have to want to fix the relationship. We have to be willing to forgive. We have to learn to communicate better. It's like putting together a broken vase. You carefully pick up the pieces. You glue them back together one by one. With patience, the vase becomes whole again. But the cracks are still visible. They remind us of what happened. Patience is key. It takes time to heal old wounds. It takes time to rebuild trust. Don't expect things to change overnight. Be patient with yourself and your partner. Understanding is also crucial. Try to see things from your partner's perspective. Listen to their feelings. Understand why they did what they did. Don't judge too quickly. Talk openly and honestly. Share your feelings. Don't hold back. Communication is key to rebuilding trust. Talk about what happened. Talk about how you feel. Talk about what you need from each other. Be forgiving. Holding on to anger and resentment will only hurt you. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting. It means letting go of the negative feelings. It means moving forward. Doing things together can rebuild trust. Shared experiences create new memories. These memories help heal old wounds. Find activities you both enjoy. Try something new. Go on a hike. Take a cooking class. Learn a new language. New experiences bring you closer. They create shared moments of joy and excitement. Make time for each other. Evenings together are important. Put away your phones. Turn off the TV. Talk to each other. Listen to each other. Enjoy each other's company. Rebuilding trust is a journey. It takes time, patience, and understanding. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. A strong relationship is built on trust. Keep communicating. Keep sharing experiences. Keep working on your relationship. Trust is the foundation of a strong bond. Let's build stronger, healthier relationships together. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to Love Life Tips. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and any topics you'd like me to cover. I look forward to hearing from you.